Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, we are going to be discussing an interesting indicator in this video, and that is the half trend buy sell indicator. Now this is a custom indicator, so you will need to download the indicator from a reputable site online. After doing that, you will need to add the indicator to your indicators folder. This is the MetaTrader terminal. So you will need to copy the indicator file after downloading it, and you will need to paste it in your indicators folder in your MQL4 or MQL5 folder, all right, in your documents. Okay, after doing that, you will need to restart your MetaTrader terminal, and then you insert the indicator, you go to custom, and then you go to the half trend buy sell indicator, and here we go. So this is what the indicator looks like. All right, now this indicator is a trend following indicator. All right, it is designed to identify bull and bear markets. All right, it helps you identify bull and bear trend, market trends with precision. So by combining its main signal line with clear buy and sell arrows, can you see the indicator makes use of arrows also, to give you signals in addition to the line that indicates the trend. Okay, so when you combine it, you can be able to get to a straightforward approach as to when to buy and when to sell, and you can be able to understand both past and current price movements. All right, so whether you are new to trading or looking to refine your technical analysis, this indicator actually offers clear visual cues, as we can see, that can help you, navigate the market trends confidently. Now, basically, when you want to make use of this indicator, watch out for the color code. All right, there are three things that you should watch out for. One, the color of the indicator. In this case, it was blue. All right. Two, the direction of the indicator. In this case, it was going upwards. And then three, there should be an arrow. So the indicator arrow tells you that it is time to buy. In this case, it was a blue arrow pointing upwards. And then in addition to that, we had blue line trending upwards. This blue line with some lines beneath it. This trending line upwards with some line beneath it. And then thirdly, the blue line, the color is blue in itself and it's trending upwards. So that gives you a signal to buy. So you can actually enter your buy trade right after the arrow forms, and then just watch out for the line. Let it keep on trending upwards. You set your stop loss below the swing low, and then your take profit can be at the nearest resistance zone, or in order for you to enjoy the trend to the possible end. Yes, because in some situations the indicator might bring out a red arrow if it senses a notable pullback or possible reversal, right? So when the indicator brings a red arrow, you can use that to exit your buy trade. On the other hand, for a sell, when you are in a sell trade, you have to watch out for the line of this indicator being red and trending downwards. Then just right after the red candle forms above the candlestick pointing downward, you can enter a sell. Okay, and then just ensure that this line is red while you are in the sell trade. Ensure that this line is red and trending downwards, and you set your stop loss above the swing high, and you can take your profit at the nearest support, or you can just take your profit after you notice this blue line forms. So basically, the buy signal from the indicator can be your exit signal for a sell trade, and then your sell signal from the indicator can be your exit signal for a buy trade. All right, so how to use this indicator is very easy. Okay, it's very easy. Once you get your signal, the arrow pointing upwards, the blue arrow, you enter a buy, you set your stop loss below the swing low, sorry, and you take your profit when you notice an opposing signal form. And then for a sell, you enter the sell trade after you have the red arrow form, and then you set your stop loss above the swing high, and then you take your profit when the blue arrow forms. So basically, that is how to use this indicator. All right, it's quite easy to use. Now, in as much as this indicator can be effective, it's very important to note that This indicator does not guarantee profit. Like every other indicator out there, this indicator does not guarantee profit. It is not foolproof. Okay, there is no strategy that is foolproof. There's no strategy that guarantees profit. So make sure you observe proper risk management. Okay, so in terms of risk management, try as much as possible not to risk more than 2% of your account in a single trade. All right, and as much as possible, make sure that you get confirmations. Okay, for example, when you have a blue arrow form, look at the chart pattern, look at the candlestick patterns. Okay, if you can get a confirmation from the candlestick patterns, perhaps bullish candlestick patterns formation, or something that can just add a layer of confidence. You can also use other indicators to confirm. For example, you can decide to add on an indicator like the stochastic. All right, so when you get a confirmation from the stochastic, for example, you can see the stochastic was in the oversold territory around here, pointing upward. This was a confirmation of this buy signal. Okay, so this would have given us a layer of confidence, knowing that this signal is likely going to be valid. All right, and we can see that the price actually trended upwards all the way up to this point. Okay, now let us look at a sell example. Now for this sell example, okay, let us use this that we already used before. For this sell example, we can see that we had our the indicator, we had the custom indicator give us a sell signal around here. Okay, that was when it gave us a sell signal, but then the half trend buy sell indicator gave us a sell signal here. But then the stochastic around that point, the stochastic was still trending downwards, in as much as it was already getting close to oversold territory. But for the fact that it was still trending downwards, it showed that there was sell momentum. Okay, so this trending downwards showed that there was actually some sell momentum. So we would have entered a sell, but we just have to be cautious when entering that sell because the stochastic was already close to the oversold territory. And as the stochastic entered the oversold territory and wanted to point upwards, and then we even had the formation of a blue arrow shortly afterwards, after the stochastic got into the oversold territory. So that was a perfect time to exit the sell trade. Okay, so it's important that you get confirmations and also use good risk to reward ratios. So basically, if you are risking $1, you should be targeting at least $2 profit. Okay, and then when you are trading, try as much as possible to manage your emotions properly, because you can be a very good technical analyst, but emotions can be dealing with you. So it's important that you manage emotions. Do not be greedy. Do not be fearful. Yes, because fear can be very dangerous. You might end up missing out on a lot of potentially good trades, or you might be entering trades late because you are afraid to enter on time. So stick to your strategy. Make sure that you wait for the market to present a good opportunity before you actually enter the trade. All right, very, very important. So in the meantime, I hope you found this video insightful. Please kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. Until next time, stay safe and trade smart. See you in the next video.